फ्रेंड्स, मैं जसवंत कुमार चौहान क्लास 12th के चैप्टर 1 सॉलिड स्टेट का सेकंड वीडियो लेकर यूनिट सेल के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ। इन दिस वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द यूनिट सेल्स एंड क्रिस्टल लैटिसेस। सो डियर फ्रेंड्स, क्रिस्टल लैटिसेस की अगर हम बात करें कि व्हाट आर क्रिस्टल लैटिसेस, सी crystal lattice or lattice is a three-dimensional arrangement of points in crystalline solid। कोई भी जो crystalline solid होता है उस crystalline solid के स्ट्रक्चर की अगर हम बात करें तो स्पेस उसका थ्री डायमेंशनल अरेंजमेंट ऑफ पॉइंट्स होता है। अरेंजमेंट ऑफ पॉइंट्स मतलब ये जो कॉर्नर्स यहाँ रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, दीज आर द कंस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्स। ये कंस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल मिलकर के सॉलिड का फॉर्मेशन करते हैं। जो क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड मिलता है दैट विल बी हैविंग ए डेफिनेट पैटर्न, वी हैव सीन इन द लास्ट वीडियो। सो व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द क्रिस्टल लैटिस? सी डियर फ्रेंड्स, दैट इज ईच पॉइंट इन अ लैटिस, each point in a lattice is called lattice point or lattice site। मतलब जो किसी भी क्रिस्टल में जो हर पॉइंट होता है जहाँ कंस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल में भी प्रेजेंट, उसको हम लैटिस पॉइंट बोलते हैं। ईच पॉइंट इन अ क्रिस्टल लैटिस रिप्रेजेंट वन कंस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल। क्लियर कि जो पॉइंट हमने ड्रॉ किया है, जो पॉइंट दिखा रहे हैं, दैट पॉइंट मे बी कंसिडर्ड एज वन ऑफ द कंस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल, दैट मे बी एन एटम, अ मॉलिक्यूल और एन आयन। जो हम लोगों ने पहले पढ़ा है कि क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड्स आर मेड बाय आइदर मॉलिक्यूल्स और एटम्स और आयंस। सो सिमिलरली here lattice points are joined by straight line to bring out the geometry of the lattice। मतलब जो भी लैटिस पॉइंट होते हैं वो एक डेफिनेट पैटर्न में अरेंज होते हैं एंड दे आर जॉइंड टुगेदर इन ए स्ट्रेट लाइन टू ब्रिंग द टोटल ज्योमेट्री ऑफ द लैटिस पॉइंट। सो डियर फ्रेंड्स, लैटिस पॉइंट की अगर हम बात करें तो जो सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ लैटिस ऑफ एंटायर क्रिस्टल will be called unit cell। जैसे ह्यूमन बॉडी में द स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट इज कॉल्ड सेल, वैसे ही किसी पर्टिकुलर क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड में जो स्मॉलेस्ट पार्ट होता है दैट विल बी कॉल्ड यूनिट सेल। सो डियर फ्रेंड्स, व्हाट ए यूनिट सेल इज द स्मॉलेस्ट बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक ऑफ क्रिस्टल कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ एटम्स, आयंस और मॉलिक्यूल्स। ऐसा स्मॉलेस्ट पार्ट होता है जिसमें या तो एटम हो सकते हैं, आयंस हो सकते हैं, मॉलिक्यूल्स हो सकते हैं, whose geometric arrangement defines the crystal characteristics and symmetry and whose repeated in space produces the crystal lattice। मतलब जैसा इस यूनिट सेल का स्ट्रक्चर होगा उसी के अकॉर्डिंग आपको पूरा क्रिस्टल लैटिस मिलेगा। And when this unit cell is repeated in three dimension, you will be getting the entire lattice there। So dear friends, unit cell अगर हम यहाँ पे बात करें कि what a unit cell will be, see there one type of unit cell is given here। This is a cubic unit cell having a shape of cube in which length is equals to width is equal to height। इसमें length width height same है and these points are represented as lattice point। clear, these are the lattice point here, और in lattice point को that may be either filled by atom or molecule or ion। and see, if we repeat this unit cell in three dimension, that will be generating the entire lattice। This is the entire lattice and the lattice structure will be similar to the structure of unit cell। अगर unit cell का shape cube होगा तो जो entire lattice मिलेगा that will be having a cubical shape। But if our unit cell is cuboidal, tetragonal, then the crystal lattice will be tetragonal there। So dear friends, unit cell if we discuss, it will be characterized by 6 parameters। ये 6 parameters कौन कौन से हैं? Its dimension along the 3 edges, that is A, B and C। length, width and height. These edges may or may not be mutually perpendicular to one another. हो सकता है किसी यूनिट सेल में दे 1 A, B and C are perpendicular to one another, but in some cases they may not be perpendicular to one another. And another, that is angle between the edges. For an example, alpha is the angle between B and C, beta is the angle between A and C, and gamma is the angle in between A and B edges. A unit cell is characterized by 6 parameters: A, B, C, 3 edges, alpha, beta and gamma, 3 angles there. So if we see the parameters of the unit cell, see here, this is our A, this is another edge B, this is another edge C, and the angle between B and C is alpha, C and A is beta, and B and A is gamma. So alpha angle, it is beta angle, it is gamma angle, it is edge A, it is edge B and it is edge C. Yes, 6 parameters are there which defines a particular unit cell. So dear friends, unit cells, if we classify presence of particles in a unit cells are of basically two types: primitive एंड सेंटर्ड. प्रिमिटिव मतलब क्या होता है? ऐसा यूनिट सेल जिसमें कंस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्स आर प्रेजेंट ओनली एट द कॉर्नर्स ऑफ द यूनिट सेल. इट इज़ द बेसिक. कोई से भी टाइप का यूनिट सेल होगा तो कॉर्नर पे एटम, मॉलिक्यूल या आयन जरूर प्रेजेंट होगा. सपोज इन दिस यूनिट सेल 8 कॉर्नर्स आर देयर, एंड इफ constituent particles, if our constituent particle, that may be either atom, molecule or ion, which are present at the corner position of the unit cell, it is called the primitive unit cell. This is one of the primitive unit cell given here. Dear friends, another type of unit cells are centered unit cell. Centered means along with this corner, when a unit cell contains one or more constituent particle present at positions other than corners in addition to those at corner, it will be called centered unit cell. क्या बोल रहा है कि कॉर्नर पे होता है तो that will be called primitive one, बट कॉर्नर के अलावा, कॉर्नर के साथ और कहीं एटम अगर प्रेजेंट होता है तो that will be called centered unit cell. For an example, see in the given figure, one type of centered unit cell is given here. If you see these unit cell, atoms are present at the corners and along with one atom is present at the center of the body. One atom, one constituent particle is present at the center of the body. So this type of unit cell is called body centered unit cell. But if you observe another type of unit cell here, these unit cell atoms are present at the corners 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And other than corners, some atoms are present at the center of each face. For an example, one atom is present at this face, one atom at this face, one atom at this face and one atom at this face, and two opposite faces are there, front and back. So atoms are also present at the face center. That's why this type of unit cell will be considered as face centered unit cell, cubic unit cell. And the other one was called BCC, body centered cubic unit cell, because the unit cell is having a shape of cube. So dear friends, body centered, we have seen when a unit cell contains one constituent particle, that is atom, molecule or ion, at its body center, besides at the corner, will be called body centered unit cell. Face centered unit cell, these face centered unit cell contains one constituent particle present at the center of each face besides that are at the corners पे तो रहता ही है. Along with this, atoms are also present at the center of each faces, that will be called face centered cubic unit cell, and face centered cubic unit cell will be written FCC, face centered cubic unit cell. Another type of centered unit cell is end centered unit cell. End centered unit cell क्या होता है? See, in such a unit cell, one constituent particle is present at the center of any two opposite faces. Besides that, at the corner. क्या बोल रहा है कि कॉर्नर पे तो होता ही है, but two constituent particles are present at any two opposite faces. Either that may be these opposite faces are there, इन दोनों opposite faces पे यहाँ constituent particle present है, तो that will be considered as end centered cubic unit cell. In short, it will be written ECC. So in a total we have seen 4 types of unit cell. That is, one is primitive, second is body centered, third is face centered, and number 4th is end centered. A total of 4 types of unit cells are there. And if we consider this is 4 types of unit cell, dear friends, there are 14 possible 3-dimensional lattices. ये 14 possible 3-dimensional lattices क्या हैं? We have seen only 4 types of unit cells there: primitive, BCC, FCC, and ECC, end centered. But 7 are based on the values of dimension A, B, and C, and alpha, beta, and gamma. मतलब इनके डायमेंशंस को अगर लिया जाए, ये जो 4 टाइप अभी हम लोगों ने देखा है, these are on the basis of number of atoms, position of the constituent particle. But if we check the dimensions, length, width, height, and angle between them, there are total 7 types of unit cells there. And the subtypes are them based on the primitive centered unit cell. ये 7 टाइप्स की ये, और इनमें आइदर BCC, FCC, ECC और प्रिमिटिव मिलता है. तो टोटल जितने भी सॉलिड्स हैं उन सॉलिड्स में वी आर हैविंग अ टोटल 14 पॉसिबिलिटीज. कैसे हैं? जस्ट चेक. सी डियर फ्रेंड्स, दिस वन टाइप ऑफ क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल इज देयर. मतलब अगर किसी सॉलिड में क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल मिलता है तो उसकी 3 पॉसिबिलिटी हैं. दैट में बी आइदर primitive, face centered, or end centered. Means in cubic we are having 3 types of unit cell. Another type is tetragonal. Tetragonal किसको बोलते हैं? Another type of unit cell in which 2 edges are same. Third one will be different from them, but alpha, beta, and gamma are equals to 90 degree. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that is total 10, and 11, 12, 13, 14. ये 14 कौन से हैं? Just on the basis of these we are having this classification. So dear friend, just check. 7 types of unit cell on the basis of different dimensions are given here. Number first one will be called cubic. Cubic means length is equals to width is equals to height. 3 edges are similar to one another and the angle between them are equals to 90 degree. That will be called cubic. और ये जो cubic होता है that will be observed of 3 types. Primitive मतलब atoms are present at the corners. BCC along with corners, one atom is present at the center of the body, and FCC. A total 3 types of cubic unit cells are there. Second type is tetragonal. Tetragonal, that is A is equals to B but does not equal to C. But C, the angle alpha, beta, and gamma are equals to 90 degree. These are of two types only. One is primitive and second is body centered. Only two types. Tetragonal are not found FCC and ECC type. टेट्रागोनल जितने भी सॉलिड्स मिले हैं उसमें टेट्रागोनल की अगर हम बात करें तो ओनली टू टाइप्स ऑफ यूनिट सेल्स आर देयर. वन इज प्रिमिटिव एंड सेकंड इज बॉडी सेंटर्ड. नंबर थर्ड इज ऑर्थोरोम्बिक. ऑर्थोरोम्बिक ए डज नॉट इक्वल टू बी, डज नॉट इक्वल टू सी. तीनों इक्वल नहीं है but angle between them are equals to 90 degree. Alpha is equals to beta is equals to gamma is equals to 90 degree. And this is orthorhombic is found of all four types: primitive, body centered, face centered and end centered. For example, that is barium sulfate is having a shape of orthorhombic. Fourth type is hexagonal. Hexagonal in which A is equals to B does not equal to C. A is equals to B but does not equal to C. Clear? It is just equals to, just similar to tetragonal. But see, there is difference in angles. Alpha and beta, these two angles are of 90 degree and gamma will be equals to 120 degree. This type of unit cell will be called hexagonal, and hexagonal will be found only of one type. This will be called primitive. Dear friends, that is another type of unit cell, that is trigonal is there. Trigonal mein if we see, that is A is equals to B is equals to C and alpha is equals to beta is equals to gamma. All angles are equal but not any angle is similar to 90 degree. तीनों एंगल सेम हैं बट 90 डिग्री का एक भी एंगल नहीं है. दिस विल बी कॉल्ड ट्राइगोनल और रोम्बोहेड्रल. इट इज आल्सो ऑफ वन टाइप. अनदर टाइप ऑफ यूनिट सेल ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ डायमेंशन इज मोनोक्लिनिक. ए डज नॉट इक्वल टू बी डज नॉट इक्वल टू सी. तीनों लेंथ, विड्थ और हाइट सेम नहीं है. Alpha is equals to gamma is equals to 90 degree. Two angles are of 90 degree. But beta is not equals to 90 degree. Beta वाला जो angle है वो 90 degree का नहीं है. And if we observe, this unit cell is will be of two type. One is primitive and second is end centered. Clear? And last one, that is on the basis of dimension, is triclinic. See, triclinic, A does not equal to B does not equal to C and angles alpha does not equal to beta does not equal to gamma does not equal to 90 degree. Means इसमें 6 parameters not are similar to one another. और ये जो triclinic है, it will be of only one type. So dear friends, if we calculate, that is total number of unit cell, cubic are of 3 type, tetragonal of 2 type, orthorhombic 4, hexagonal 1, trigonal 1, monoclinic 2 and triclinic 1. If we total it, that is total of 14 Bravais lattice, 14 possibilities are there. So these 14 types of unit cells are there which are on the basis of dimensions and position of the constituent particles on them. So dear friends, this is about the types of unit cells which we will discuss in solid state. Next video mein we will be discussing about the number of atoms per unit cell in primitive, BCC, FCC or ECC and how to get the formula of a particular compound based on this one, based on unit cells. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद. Thank you all.